Come test drive the 2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced, it drives quite comfortably, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, navigation system. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.